Time check, so it's 8:20, so sarado pa sila. 9:15 yung winery tour. To-toilet muna kami, tsaka picture-picture. Sayang naman yung 1 hour. May itsura ng toilet nila. Ang cute ng ano nila. So, pupunta na kami ng reception. Grabe, 2 hours yung biyahe namin. Natulog lang ako. Coffee muna kami while still waiting for 9:15. So, siya naman, hinahanap niya yung mga coins para pambayad, para gumaan yung bag. Maghahanap kami ng pwesto. Doon kami magkakape. Parang sarap doon magkape, oh. Ganda, bulubundukin. Ganda.
Sorry.
Napaaga kasi tayo ng dating.
1 hour.
1 hour yung aga. Kasi tinanong ko si Mr. Prakong, sa oras kami aalis kapag ka 9:15 need natin dito sa booking. Sabi niya 6 AM. So, that pala mga 7 AM lang. Pinmeet nila, akala siguro traffic. So, naghahanap kami ng 20 baht para makapag-fish feeding activity. Okay. Yay! Mag-fish feeding kami. Uy, may excited. Gustong-gusto niya yan eh. Ako hawak to.
Ako na.
Magbe-breakfast din ng mga fish. Okay. Tingnan.
Ano? Alam nilang may tao.
Tilapia.
Nag-aabang na.
Sige nga, hulog mo nga.
Ayan. Oh, alam nila eh.
Sige pa.
Yeah. Right? Baka lang yung handful.
Kanina ba iniintay?
Hindi nga kita makita ko.
Guwapo mo naman, sir.
Ha?
Ano nagsuot?
Di ba dito?
Oo. Ayan yung entrance, oh. $55 baht lang, oh. Yung mulberry. So, ayan. Sasakay na kami. Okay.
Lazada tour. That's 2 people.
Okay.
Private tour. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Sarap naman. Kami lang. We're so low.
It's quite big. Grade 3 plantation. This one we just grew around 35 years.
Watermelon field. Thank you.
Thank you. Ang tamis.
So, if you take time here around 10 minutes.
Wow! Tingnan mo. Ang lalaki.
Very cool.
Harap.
Tamis ayun.
Let's go.
Khao Yai means big mountain in Thailand. So after we harvest finish, we try to get to this room first and use this
Wow.
machine to
Grabe. Meron silang measurement. Oh. Grabe. Tabi ka dun kung gaano kalaki. Grabe. Ang laki
May amoy
yun.
eh, no? Yung parang amoy panis, ganun.
Oo. Ang laki. So, dito daw nilalagay yung grapes para daw mag-age. Tapos may temperature siya.
Parang amoy bulok.
Oo.
Diba? Amoy mo yan.
Oo.
Pag papanis na yung...
Oo.
Tara.
Tara. Wow! Look! Ha? Ah, ito yung laman. Ito mataas.
Age ko kasi. Packaging.
Nice.
The barrel we import from another country, mostly from France and some barrel from America.
Parang meron silang kaling ko yung
Slipper yan.
And this is good Kira, that one is white. This one wine. Hirom collection, PB collection, and Samati collection.
Pwede daw uminom ng tubig muna.
And this one is medium sweet, the floral, the aroma like a floral, and also have the gentle fish like a bubble like that, like you drink sparkling wine like that. But this one is sweet, and it's so refreshing after tasting. This one is good for spicy food or cheesecake or dessert maybe. Temperature for serve around 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. Is good for this one. And after taste, the first one finished. Before taste of the cheddar cheese or cracker to clean your palate before you taste the next one. And then PB Khao Yai Reserve Chenin Blanc. This one white wine. Harvest in 2022. The year on the bottle is mean year for harvesting. And alcohol is 13.5%, 13.5. This one go aged in oak barrel and blend together. It's quite complex, like dry fruits, dry fig, also like a gooseberry have acidity, not sweet for this one, we got acidity. Like tropical fruit taste, you can feel like a Scott butter taste, like a vanilla, like an almond or so. It's good for the cheese menu, like pizza or spaghetti, or you can pair with the seafood menu also, or can pair with the seaside salad also. And temperature for serve around 11 to 14 degrees Celsius. And then get this last one. Also have the cheese saver first to clean the palate. This one PB 2015 Shiraz. This one is a red wine, Reserve Shiraz 2015. Alcohol is 14.5%. This one is a bestseller. 70% aged in oak barrel and 30% in stainless steel. And
Mamaya lasing ka na. Baka magloko-loko tiyan natin.
Ito yung healthy naman to.
Healthy.
Try it.
Fresh.
Try it. Sarap na.
Sarap.
Healthy pa yun.
Healthy.
Try it. Try it. Eh, yan kasi yung pinaka nandun eh. O, di ba? Ito nga yung pang steak.
Lasing ka naman. Tirador ng mais. Kiss ka muna.
Hindi na pang chaser na yan. Gusto mo?
Sarap yung cheese.
Gusto mo bumili tayo?
Kada.
Juice.
Ito yung natikman namin kanina. So, bibili kami. Yan. Separate box.